guys, I hope you're all well. Happy Friday! So, today is one of the lessons, the fifth day of one of our lessons, and we are going to be coming out of Power Maths just a little bit so we can refresh our memory about arrays. So can I explain what I see in an array? Can I show what I see in an array? Can I write down the number sentences I see in an array? Okay. This week we've had a go at using repeated addition. We've had a go at using a number line. We've had a go at drawing counters. We've had a go at what else? Using our fingers to help us multiply and count. So now we're going to have a look at arrays even more. And then next week in our learning, we're going to start looking at 2 times tables, 5 times tables, 10 times tables, and then division. So I hope you're ready for today's learning. Okay? We're going to start with, where is my slide? Just reminding ourselves, what is an array? An array is an arrangement of objects when things are arranged either in columns, remember columns is going up to down, or rows going across, right? So over here in my picture, I can see some cupcakes or muffins, and my columns are going down, see? So I've got, oh, that won't work. Where's the pen? Let's try yellow. Okay, so I've got, these are my columns. It's 1 column, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I also have rows. I'll use a green pen for that. So this is my row. Another row and another row. So today we are going to be looking at lots of different types of arrays and look at the relationship between the numbers. I wonder, like addition, if you can swap the numbers around in multiplication and still get the same answer. So that's what we're going to be investigating today. All right? First, let's start with a question I took from our Power Maths books. The question here says, draw dots in an array to match each calculation. So let's start with 3 groups of 3 first. We have to draw dots. Now I told you an array has rows and columns. So 3 groups of 3. I would have 3 circles in one group, but I need 3 groups. So I have another group, that's 3, and another group, that's 3. Now this shows 3 groups of 3. That's my one group, that's my second group, and that's my third group. 3 groups of 3. What we're going to try today is to not draw the groups. We're just going to try and see it as they are. So let's show you with 4 groups of 4. So I need 4 groups, and in each group I need to draw 4 circles or 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far I have 1 group and 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 groups. How many groups do I need? 4 groups. So I need 1 more group. And there we go. 4 groups of 4. Now I wonder if you can get a piece of paper and draw 5 groups of 5 for me. Off you go. Okay, now, I hope you paused the video before you continued. You've drawn 5 groups of 5. Let's check if your answer is the same as mine. So I need 5 groups, and in each group I need to draw 5 circles. 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I done? Well, I've got my 5 in each. I'm not? Exactly, I need to have 5 groups. I only have 3 groups so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 5. Now, is your answer the same as mine? Fantastic. Okay, moving on. Ooh, I have a true or false question here, and I need to work out the answer. The first question says, 5 times 4, 5 groups of 4, is the same as 4 groups of 5. Now I'm going to check if it's true or false. I can't just guess the answer. If you know your times tables, then you would have guessed the answer. But if you didn't know your times table, I'm going to draw it out. So I'm going to start by drawing 5 groups of 4 first. So 5 groups of 4, 5 times 4. So I need 5 groups, and in each group I need 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. Now I'm going to count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 8 add 4 more is 12. 12 add 4 more is, we're not sure, let's check. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. Now I'm going to try and do 4 times 5. And I wonder what answer it might give me. 4 groups, 5 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 group. 2 groups. 3 groups. Oh, this is taking a long time. 4 groups. But that's okay because I need to check my answers. And now I have 5 groups. I'm not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why? Because I can count in 5s. That's right. So let's go. Counting in 5s. 5, 10, 15. Oh, guys. Silly Mrs. V. I made a mistake. I drew too many groups. I was supposed to do 4 groups, but I meant 5 groups of 5. So there we go. 4 groups. So this is wrong. But that's fine. I told you in maths, sometimes you make mistakes and then you check your work, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm checking my work. Okay? So let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Which also makes 20. So 5 times 4 is the same as 4 times 5. So is it true or false? Well done. It is true. Fantastic. So now we are going to test out. I'm going to rub it all off. Let me know this is true. 10 times 3 and 2 times 10. So I need to make 10 groups of 3. That's 1 group. 2 groups. It's going to take me a while, but I'll get there. 4, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups, and 10 groups of 3. And now I'm going to count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30. Pause the video and draw 2 groups of 10. Off you go. Okay? Now if you've drawn 2 groups of 10, you know that 2 times 10 is 20. Did you get it right? Fantastic. So, is 10 times 3 the same as 2 times 10? Why is it not the same? Exactly, one side, 10 times 3 is 30 and 2 times 10 is 20. Fantastic, so the answer is false. It's not the same. Okay? Right, now, today we are going to be working out what does the multiplication show. So I'm going to show you some arrays and then you're going to work out what group it's showing. Okay? So, let's have a look. Right? Oh, moving, moving, moving. Fantastic. Okay? So, I have, and I wonder, what does it show? What multiplication does it show? I can see, let's count my groups first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And in each group, I have, how many? Exactly 2 in each group. So I could say it's 4 groups of 2. 4 times 2. I wonder if there's a different way of showing it. Is there a different way of showing 4 times 2? What if you swapped it around? Do the little swap it around. What would you get? Let's have a look. 2 groups of 4. Let me use a different color pen to show you. Look, I have one group of 4, 2 groups of 4. I've just swapped the numbers around, but they will still give me 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Same answer. There we go. What about the next one? Let's have a go. Now, pause the video and on a piece of paper, write the multiplication sentence for this. What will it be? What will the sum be? Pause it. Okay. Is it how many groups of what? You can have it this way, which is 2 groups of 3 in columns. These are my columns. Or you can do it in rows, which is 3 groups of 2. These are my rows. I wonder, did you get this? Fantastic. 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. What's the answer? Brilliant. It is 6. Okay? So remember, we're starting to learn a rule now. When you're multiplying, when you swap the numbers around, the answer is still the same, just like addition. Fantastic, guys. Okay, let's try the next one. Now, this one, I'm not going to give you the answer until the very end. Try it yourself. See if you can write down the multiplication sentence for this question. Let's go. Let's go. Ready? Pause it. Off you go. Okay, ready? Fantastic. So, I wonder, oh my goodness, I went too fast. Did you find 4 times 3 or 3 times 4? Let's check, okay? Sometimes I don't trust the computer. Sometimes the answer could be wrong, so I'm just going to go check. 4 times 3, I can see 4 groups. That's my 4 times 3. And in each group, I have 3. 4 groups of 3. There we go. I'm going to use a different colour pen now, my blue. Let's erase it all out. And blue. 3 groups of 4. That's my 1 group of 4. 2 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4. There we go. Once again, the numbers are swapped around, but the calculation is the same. And the answer is 12. Okay? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic. Let's try one more. Okay, ooh, what would this one be this time? Sorry about that. What would this be this time? Pause the video, try it on your own. Okay, let's see, what answer did you find? I see 1, 2, 3, my columns, my rows. I think something is to do with 3 times table maybe. Oh, sorry guys, there was another one. Ignore that. Let's see if I didn't have this. I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here and 5 over here. Sorry guys, I forgot there was a 6th row. Okay, so you'd got 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 would have given you 15. Okay, what about this now? Okay, I'm quite sure there's no more. Have a go. I wonder if you can get 2 types of multiplication numbers for this one, for this question. What multiplication might you get that's 2 types? Hang on, can you get 2 different ones when you swap it over? Let's check. I mean, I don't think you can, but I'm just going to check. I think there's only 1 type of multiplication number sentence. Let's see. How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 groups, and in each group I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4. I can't swap this around. Even if I swapped it around, I'll still get 4 times 4. Look. I'm going to use a different pen. I'm doing my rows now. That's 1 group. In fact, wait, that's too confusing. Use a different colour. Going across now. That's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. And in each, you still get 4 times 4. So, can I swap the numbers around? Well, there's no point because it's still going to give you the same answer because it's the same number repeated twice. 4 times 4, which is, that's right, 16. Oh, there we go. You can't see, I've covered it up. Okay, guys, so what about, 7 times 3 or 3 times 7, is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is correct. So what do? What have we learned in multiplication? You can swap it around. Well done with the numbers. So, what have we learned today? Multiplication can be done in any order. Okay, remember any order. You'll still get the same answer. 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5. 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5. All right? This means that you only have to learn half of your tables, because every fact you learn, you can answer 2 questions. But we'll learn more about this next week. You just must remember, most importantly, that multiplication can be done in any order. Okay? Fantastic. So, you are now going to pause the video. If you need to go back and go through the video again, go ahead. I'm going to put up some questions for you and you're going to answer them. And if you are confused, remember, if you're not sure of the answer, draw it out, like how I was doing earlier with my circles. Okay? Well done, guys. See you soon. Bye.